objects float in water whereas some sink in water. For example, dried leaves fallen on the surface of a pond floats on the surface of the pond, whereas a stone that you throw into this pond sinks in the pond. Now, let us discuss about another property, that is transparency. You might have played the game of hide and seek. Have you tried hiding behind a glass window? Obviously not, as your friends can see through that and spot you. Those substances or materials through which things can be seen are called transparent. Glass, water, and some plastics are examples of transparent materials. Shopkeepers usually prefer to keep biscuits, sweets, and other eatables in transparent containers of glass or plastic so that buyers can easily see these items. On the other hand, there are some materials through which you are not able to see. These materials are called opaque. Look at this wooden box. Can you see what is inside this? No. This is because the wooden box is opaque. Wood, cardboard, and metals are examples of opaque materials. Have you tried looking at things through butter paper? Is everything on the other side of it visible? No. You can see the objects through the butter paper, but not clearly. The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. In this chapter, we have learned different properties of different materials. Materials can be grouped on the basis of similarities or differences in their properties.